Have you ever wondered why some people thrive in parties, always chatting with everyone, while others prefer quiet evenings alone with a book? Is it just personality, or is there science behind it? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of introverts and extroverts, and why we're wired so differently. The first reason comes from our brain wiring. Extroverts seek stimulation because their brains respond less intensely to dopamine, the chemical that gives us pleasure and reward. That's why socializing, exciting activities, or even trying something new gives them a big boost. Introverts, on the other hand, are more sensitive to stimulation. Too much social interaction can feel overwhelming because their brains naturally process experiences more deeply. It's not about being shy, it's biology. Studies show introverts has higher cortical arousal, meaning their brains are already highly active and sensitive to stimuli. Genetics also play a big role. Research from twin studies suggests that about 40 to 60% of your personality comes from your genes. Certain genes influence how your brain handles dopamine and serotonin, which affects how rewarding or stressful social interactions feel. So yes, being an introvert or extrovert isn't just a choice, it's partly in your DNA. Of course, nature isn't everything. Your environment and upbringing shape your social style too. A naturally shy child encouraged to speak up can grow into a confident extrovert, while an energetic child in a strict environment might learn to be reserved. Culture also matters. Some societies value outgoing personalities, while others appreciate introspection. So personality is both nature and nurture. Here's something interesting. Very few people are completely introverted or completely extroverted. Most of us are in the middle, called ambiverts. Ambiverts enjoy social interactions sometimes, but also need alone time to recharge. So next time you see someone quiet in a crowd, remember, they're not weird or antisocial. Their brain is just wired differently, and that's perfectly okay. In short, whether you're an introvert, extrovert, or somewhere in between, it all comes down to brain chemistry, genetics, and life experiences. Understanding this can help us appreciate ourselves and each other without judgment. So which one are you? Introvert, extrovert, or ambivert? Comment below, I'd love to know.